Which equals operator, versus should be used in JavaScript comparisons. I'm using JSLint to go through JavaScript, and it's returning many suggestions to replace two equals signs, with three equals signs, when doing things like comparing a value length to a number inside of an if statement. Is there a performance benefit to replacing with equals? Any performance improvement would be welcomed as many comparison operators exist. If no type conversion takes place, would there be a performance gain over equals? The identity operator behaves identically to the equality operator except no type conversion is done, and the types must be the same to be considered equal. The equals operator will compare for equality after doing any necessary type conversions. The equals operator will not do the conversion, so if two values are not the same type equals will simply return false. Both are equally quick. To quote Douglas Crockford's excellent JavaScript, the good parts. JavaScript has two sets of equality operators, equals and not equals, and their evil twins equals and not equals. The good ones work the way you would expect. If the two operands are of the same type and have the same value, then equals produces true and not equals produces false. The evil twins do the right thing when the operands are of the same type, but if they are of different types, they attempt to coerce the values. The rules by which they do that are complicated and unmemorable. These are some of the interesting cases. The lack of transitivity is alarming. My advice is to never use the evil twins. Instead, always use equals and not equals. All of the comparisons just shown produce false with the equals operator. For reference, types equals and equals act consistently with one another, except in a special case. The special case is when you compare a literal with an object that evaluates to the same literal, due to its toString or value of method. For example, consider the comparison of a string literal with a string object created by the string constructor. Here the equals operator is checking the values of the two objects and returning true, but the equals is seeing that they are not the same type and returning false. Which one is correct? That really depends on what you're trying to compare. My advice is to bypass the question entirely and just don't use the string constructor to create string objects. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.